What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? I step on one of you niggas, then I spit on you when I finish.
Hey vlog, we're out here. We about to play hide and go seek in the dark nighttime at the park.
Period. We out here. Y'all see the thing over there? And it's whatever. We y'all. What are the limits? Stop always doing that, dumbass. What are the limits?
That's the limit.
All right.
That gazebo thing.
Gazebo. What gazebo?
This little shit right now.
Bruh, they trying to. Let me show y'all. Y'all look, they say this right here is the limits. From right here to right there. You see this big field over here? They being corny. They really being corny, that big field over there. Alright, but y'all, we finna do this. Everybody got their cameras? Everybody got their cameras? Is that where your camera?
Right here.
You got your camera, Sasa?
I'm doing mine on Snapchat.
Zaya, you got your camera?
Yours going out.
Sasa, you gotta keep it going. You can't do it on Snapchat.
Nah, you could do the little section things.
Zaya.
She's dumb as fuck.
All right. So limits. I'm gonna tell y'all limits. Limits is that field, this, in that bathroom.
My ass ain't finna die.
Bro, cause y'all not being y'all. Come on, bro. Y'all being corny.
Let's play tag.
What I look like? See, Zaya, look, Zaya got that light.
Okay, she trying to get killed. We died.
Bro, you can't get killed. Who else out here? Y'all see, that's why y'all need Jesus.
And Jesus is on my side.
Hey, amen.
So you trying to push you on your side when you thought you got money.
Y'all can't. All right, so I guess we could just do it right here. And right there is the thing. Okay?
Right here in the gazebo and in the bushes right there.
All right. Don't that thing right there, I'm gonna show you. Don't that, what's that thing that the fire department use? The fire hydrant?
The water disposal sign.
Yeah, something like that. Don't look like a person.
Maybe stop.
It's not a person, but I'm... Zah, you always scared. You need to stay prayed up. All right, Sasa. All right, where the base at? Where the base?
It's no bread slide.
All right. Go count on it, Sasa and Saisu. Sasa. Your braid go fall. You ready though? Nah, lay down on that slide. Y'all got me big. Out. Y'all see Red all the way out there, bro. Y'all see Red all the way out there. Okay.
All right, y'all. About to go looking. I see. Go the other way. Sasha, go! Hold on, y'all. Sorry. I almost fell. Hold on. Hold on. Let me Yo!
That it.
Shorty, tap me, bitch. Hold on.
Ow.
That's what you get. Wait. Hold on. Hold on. Y'all, I almost bust my ass. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm out of breath. Yo.
Where the hell did this girl go?
Hold on. Y'all, I just timed myself out twice. Well, damn. I'm tired like a mug. Y'all, so I'm in. I'm tired. Running ain't for big people. Hold on, be back.
Yo, she running too. I see you. Yo. I'm about to die. Yeah, I gotta catch my breath. So I should fast, but she still couldn't catch me. Whew. Whew. Where's that go? Oh, I see her. I'm tripping, y'all. I really am. I know she ain't trying to juke her. Yeah. That's some real stuff. Is that you ain't tired? Y'all, I'm tired. And I run with my mouth open in cold air. So you know my throat hurt. I seen you. I was like, oh, that girl all the way down there. What? Nah. You should have wore his coat, smart. You peed.
No, I'm cheating.
Oh.
I'm tired like a motherfucker. I almost bust my ass. This shit over there wet.
I went all the way down there to the bleachers.
You did?
Yes. 20 seconds.
Whew.
My freaking coat's like spoiled.
Who put? We should have played hide and go seek, then ate, because now y'all stomach gonna be hurting y'all run.
Well, I don't think we can play this no more.
I need my asthma.
Whew. Alright, I guess we can play one more round.
Alright, I'm in though, but
But I ain't gonna get nobody.
who ain't here?
So I shoot with you.
No, say something.
Oh. You supposed to be.
She got McKay's. You doing a thought?
Y'all, we need to find something like to vlog. We need to go to VA.
For real though.
And you going Saturday?
I'm going to a party.
Hear me.
I think I'm gonna go with you.
What are you doing?
If you want to. Yo, this thing got my butt hurting.
Oh, you gotta go beat your cousin up.
Alright, y'all, let's take a walk around this whole thing. Okay, y'all, we walking. Y'all, what y'all think we doing? We walking over here. All right, they gonna run from you.
Come on, let's see how far we can walk till we get scared.
All right.
You got no phone.
Stay right here then. Go get in a call. That thing gonna see you. That thing gonna see him look at the back of her head and be like, what in the world?
My sister, man. Oh, Sting said where I leave.
Sting said what?
Sting said why we leave.
We did not leave her.
We did not leave her.
She the one that said, I'm gonna go. I was ordering.
Put my shoes straight.
Oh, the skin is like glittery. Oh, it is.
That shit cool. That is cool. Saisha, move. Dusty feet.
Bro, that's ice.
That's not ice. Ice don't look like that. It's glitter sand. Who?
We just walking.
What y'all doing at the Ow!
My people's could find, my people's could shoot.
For real though. Who the fuck gonna shoot us?
Them boys can shoot. Like that girl house that got shot up 400 shit.
You stupid girl. Anyways, the lightning is so good right here. Oh, Mimi, you tripping. It's theirs.
All right, they gonna run from you.
No, they gonna run.
No.
Saisha, shut up. You got no phone.
Stay right here then. Go get in a call.
I already did. Shut up.
That thing gonna see him look at the back of her head.
Y'all,
and be
Jaleel
like,
said where I leave my sister, man. Oh, Sting said where I leave my... Taylor told her that.
Sting said what?
Sting said why we leave for Saisha.
Did not leave her.
She the one that said, I'm gonna go. I was ordering.
Y'all, we have relocated. We are in the most haunted forest ever. See, bro, she be doing this dumb ass, bro. Like, oh my god.
Saisha, stop getting on me. Go over there.
But y'all, we are on a nature trail. Here are some signs. It's only 30 seconds, the nature trail.
Big ass dragon pop out this swamp.
I'ma leave y'all.
Like, what has been in your brain? Y'all gonna walk on this swamp.
I wonder if somebody dumped somebody's dead body out here.
Man, stop, bitch. Mimi got really gone. I thought Saisha was in the back.
But we are on a 30-second nature trail. Like the other, how far I'm going there? The other side of nature trail is right there. And we're about to go around the loop right now. I am, bro. This is a 30-second nature trail. See, we go around.
Get low. Get low. Get low. Are you holding on to Saisha, Safa? Right.
Going around the loop.
Y'all think when we get older, Saisha really gonna beat one of us up.
No, she not. I'm gonna fuck her up.
Last one stink. We done with the nature trail.
Y'all tired. They just made us run from right there to right there.
You look so pretty, like my dog.
Now let's pull up on our email.
That girl probably sleeping.